Hello and welcome to One Eyed Monkey channel. Today we are looking at the HeroClip hybrid gear clip, which you can hang your stuff to free your hands. The first time I saw this was on the Excessorize Me YouTube channel, where he showed that this is one of the gadgets that he brings anywhere he goes, and it allows you to hang stuff on hooks or loops or any place where you don't want to leave your stuff laying on the ground. The practical thing is that it has a 2-in-1 function. It is a carabiner as well as a hanger, and is made out of aluminium, so it's very lightweight. And they have several different sizes. I chose the small one, which can carry up to 22 kilograms, but I'm surprised that the small one is actually quite larger than I thought it would be. They also have a smaller one which is called the mini, and on top of this they have the medium and the large one. So the small one costs around 15 pounds, and this one I got for 14 because it was reduced in price because nobody will buy this color. They also have many different types of color combination, but this one was the cheapest, so I got this one. It's made in China, designed by Lula Bob in Seattle. You can use it for work, camp, travel, organizing, family or dining. The hook folds, twists, tucks around the clip. So let's unbox this.
Okay, if I just pull it out. Yeah, this is not so well done, I think.
You can see here on the top part there's a rubber thing, so it has more grip if in case you are hanging your bag over a table which doesn't have a hook or a loop, so it won't slip. You can see it can twist, and then you can turn it into a small carabiner like this, and then it takes no space at all in your bag, or you can just clip it on your bag. To unhook it, you can just twist it and then pull it out like this, and this you can hang over any object which can hold its weight, and is super lightweight. So this is how it works. Put it through the loop of your bag. This is the size small, but I believe a mini size would be plenty large enough for it. Then you can hang it anywhere you want. For instance, like here, and it will hold. So that was my review of the HeroClip. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.